Army Camo in pink. The early 2000s called. They want their colors back. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 95 Desert Camo. Now this colorway, when I first saw it, I thought it was a women's exclusive pair, but this is a men's size 11, which means that this is coming in all men's sizes, which it's not my kind of style, but you know, it's here, so I've got a review. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Desert Sand, Sunset Tint, and Black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a combination of camo and gray, as well as sunset tint for the majority of the upper. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the off-white grayish colorway for the toe box, and you've got the mesh detailing for the toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the white panel on a brownish, beigeish, khaki-ish tongue with the white and green Air Max logo. The shoe has gray laces, but it also comes with a set of pink laces. The insole is khaki with the Nike Air logo in green. For the lateral, you've got the Army Camo detailing, and this is in leather. And you also have the Nike swoosh and sunset tint. Moving towards the heel, you've got the back tab in this Army green colorway with the embossed Nike swoosh on it. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the leather camo, although it doesn't have the sunset tint Nike swoosh. You have the camo green midsole with the visible air units. And you've got the brown outsole. It's not quite a gum outsole with the camo color detailing on the sole. This shoe could have really been a great colorway, but this sunset tint is just so out of place that there's really no need for it. Like, I don't understand why they have this. Like, they could have done any other colorway and it'd have been fine. It'd have been actually a great colorway, but this sunset tint really throws it off. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Sunset Tint hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 21st for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.